From the man flying into the air after colliding with a toll booth, to the crowd running away from an overturned 18-wheeler, and the horrific explosions when a car plunged off a bridge. But that's not all. We also have some hilarious, silly driver moments that you can't miss. Get ready to laugh and explore with us right now. We start with a horrific collision when a speeding car crashed straight into the median strip of the toll booth. The driver was thrown out of the car, but luckily he was taken to the emergency room by locals. Be careful when driving, everyone. A large truck overturned and crushed a nearby car, but fortunately everyone escaped in time and no one was injured. It was a close call, wasn't it? We are witnessing an extremely horrifying and dangerous situation. After a strong collision with a parked car, both vehicles burst into flames. Fire flared up high, spreading rapidly, turning the entire area into a sea of fire. The out-of-control truck crashed through the median strip of the bridge, and a loud explosion rang out, shaking a large area. Black smoke billowed, causing panic among witnesses. Rescue forces immediately arrived at the scene, doing their best to extinguish the fire and save the victims. However, the exact number of casualties has not yet been determined due to the chaotic situation, and the fire has not yet been completely controlled. In a supermarket, two men were standing and chatting when suddenly a car crashed through the glass door, destroying everything it hit. The driver was a woman with an alcohol concentration twice the permitted limit. What an unbelievable situation. I really don't understand where this motorcyclist was looking. The taillights weren't on, even when the accident happened. Check your taillights before you hit the road, guys. Oh no, it's terrible. The strong collisions just now made me shudder. This scene is not only a clear warning about the dangers of reckless driving, but also a testament to the need for stricter penalties to deter dangerous driving behaviors. Imagine, in just a split second, a collision can change the lives of many people. A speeding, out-of-control vehicle crashes straight into another vehicle or a median strip, not only causing material damage, but also taking away precious lives. Horrifying images like this are clear evidence of the dire consequences of not obeying traffic laws. Oh no, don't climb on my roof like that. The black car could talk, it would scream like that. Side impact collisions are always one of the most dangerous types of traffic accidents, often causing serious injuries to the occupant. In these collisions, the protection of the car frame is not enough to withstand the strong impact force from the side. But fortunately, thanks to the advancement of modern technology, we have effective solutions to minimize casualty. In this situation, side airbags are one of the most important factors to protect passengers. When a collision occurs, sensors will detect the sudden change and activate the airbags within milliseconds, creating an air cushion between the passenger and the car door. This airbag not only reduces the impact force on the body, but also prevents serious injuries that may occur, such as broken bones or head injury. I'm sure these drivers are using their mobile phones while driving. This is stupid and dangerous. Stay away from your phone while driving, it will save your life. Focus on driving to protect yourself and everyone around you. Look, the two cars were less than 1 centimeter apart. It took the driver in the car a few hours to recover from this miraculous escape. Heart-stopping. Maybe God protected the pedestrian crossing the road. The two cars collided right after the woman crossed. She narrowly escaped the collision. Crossing the intersection, slowing down is mandatory. These drivers need to be re-educated on traffic laws to avoid unnecessary accidents. It seems that the two cars were too tired after a long journey, so they decided to help each other up to the sidewalk to stop and rest for a bit before continuing their journey. It's funny to imagine that vehicles need to rest like humans. What an unlucky day for this white car. I think he'll have to spend a lot of money on repairs. This unexpected incident will definitely be remembered by him forever. According to daily reports, the number of horrific accidents occurring on the highway is increasing day by day. From reckless driving situations to drivers falling asleep while driving, all of them pose extremely dangerous risks. Imagine you are driving on a highway. Suddenly, another car recklessly overtakes, cutting in front of your car at a dizzying speed. This situation is not only dangerous for the driver, but can also lead to multiple collisions, causing great damage to people and property. Reckless overtaking is not only a violation of traffic laws, but also an extremely reckless and irresponsible act. Not only that, the situation of drivers falling asleep while driving is also alarming. A moment of drowsiness, loss of concentration, and closing your eyes for a few seconds can lead to unpredictable consequences. The highway is not the place for you to test your endurance when you are tired. When you feel sleepy or not alert, find a safe place to stop and rest. Just a short nap will help you regain your alertness and continue your journey safely. Horrific collisions on the highway are not uncommon. Each image, each story is a strong warning for all of us. Driving is not simply controlling a vehicle, but also the responsibility to protect your own life and the lives of those around you. In rainy or snowy conditions, the tire friction level is only about 30%. These drivers are playing with death by driving at such high speeds. The highest penalty should be given to these acts. So we have gone through the dramatic and emotional moments in today's video. From strong collisions, fierce explosions, to humorous and silly situations of drivers. Each situation brings us valuable lessons about traffic safety. The first lesson is to always be careful and attentive when driving. Never speed, overtake recklessly, or use the phone while driving. The second lesson is to always check the vehicle carefully before going on the road, from the taillights, airbags to the condition of the tires. The third lesson is to not drive when drunk or when not sober. This is not only dangerous for yourself, but also for those around you. The situations that occur in the video are clear evidence of the importance of obeying traffic laws and driving safely. Always remember, every time you get behind the wheel, you are not only responsible for yourself, but also for everyone on the road. We do not own the entire material compiled in this video. This material belongs to individuals or organizations that deserve respect. We use according to Copyright Disclaimer. Section 107 of the Copyright Act, 1976. Fair use is allowed for purposes such as criticism, comment, reporting, teaching, learning, and research. If you find this video useful, don't forget to click the like and share buttons to spread important messages about traffic safety. And especially, click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel so you don't miss the latest videos. We are committed to bringing you rich, useful, and interesting content, helping you improve your knowledge and skills in safe driving. Leave a comment below the video to share your thoughts and discuss these important topics together. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Wish you always drive safely and have peaceful journeys.